Today I'm cooking a delicious kampong-style steamed chicken for dinner. This recipe uses a lot of herbs and ingredients from my garden. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.6 kilograms of whole bird free-range chicken or ayam kampong in Malaysia, clean and washed, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of pepper, 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, 6 stalks of lemongrass. These are freshly harvested from my garden. These are lemongrass leaves from my garden. This is optional as it may be hard to find from the market. These are ginger leaves, which are also from my garden. They are optional as well. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Start with the garlic. Put all garlic in the mortar and pound it with the pestle until smashed. Take it out and leave it aside. Cut the lemongrass into half and use the pestle to lightly smash them. Leave them aside. Sprinkle the salt on the chicken and rub to marinate evenly. Rub some in the cavity as well. Drop a handful of crushed garlic inside the chicken cavity. Rub the pepper inside the chicken cavity as well. Fold a handful of ginger leaves and the lemongrass leaf into a small bundle. Place it nicely in the chicken cavity so it won't be sticking out when cooking. If there is some extra room, more lemongrass and ginger leaves can be used to fill it. This helps to reduce the raw chicken smell and makes the steamed chicken very fragrant. Okay, it is done. I still have some salt here. Sprinkle all over the chicken until finished. Rub the rest of the pepper on the chicken. Pour the oyster sauce on the chicken and marinate evenly. Leave the chicken feet and liver on the side of the tray. Marinate them with the remaining garlic. And rub some garlic on the chicken body too. Okay, the chicken is done. Leave it aside while the steamer is prepared. Cut the remaining ginger and lemongrass leaf to fit into the steamer for extra fragrance. Layer the steamer with the leaves and place a heat-resistant tray on it. Put the chicken on the tray with the feet and the liver on the side. Arrange the smashed lemongrass around the chicken. Alright, the chicken is ready for steaming. I have prepared the hot boiling water in a pan. Place the steamer over the boiling water and cover the steamer. Let it steam for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Free-range chicken meat is quite tough, so it needs a longer time to become soft and tender. If using commercial chicken, 50 minutes to 1 hour of steaming time is sufficient. Check occasionally to ensure that there is still boiling water in the steamer, as it's boiling for a long time. After steaming the chicken for 1 hour and 20 minutes, the heat went off. Let's check on the chicken. Wow, this is well cooked and is really soft and tender. There is some gravy collected from the steaming tray. It will be great to make the chili dipping sauce. Remove the chicken from the steamer and place it on the serving platter. This is the homemade chili dip for the chicken. The recipe is in the see more link. Add a few tablespoons of steamed chicken gravy to the dipping sauce. Perfect. Alright. I am serving my kampong-style steamed chicken with sticky rice, chili dip, cut cucumber, and lettuce. Some of the gravy can be poured over the chicken to make it appear shiny as well. See, free-range chicken meat is so much different from commercial chicken. There is no fat at all. Dip it a little in the chili sauce. Let's eat. Oh wow, this is heaven. The chicken is so tasty and tender. It's super delicious and very healthy. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.